Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy AlteredTech back again with a new video, and in this video I want to talk about that Oxygen OS 9.0.12 update. So I did post a video talking about all the updates and features you'll be getting on that, and I did have a few commenters ask me a few questions or make some comments that I should remark on. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. His name is Iams Munuk. He said he installed the update and the fingerprint scanner is 75% faster than before, and that is with the official 3D tempered glass. This is my OnePlus 6T, and I do have the original plastic screen protector that came with the phone. Yes, so OnePlus, when they sell you the phone, they actually have a screen protector pre-installed. Funny story, so I watched this guy, his name is GadgetBeard, shout out to GadgetBeard. He made a review on this tempered glass screen protector, and it was titled The Worst Screen Protector for the OnePlus 6T. So by the time I finished watching that video, this was already on the way to my house, so it is what it is. This is the MYBAT tempered glass screen protector. I'm going to install it and show you guys how it is. So today I'm actually going to test out the MYBAT screen protector, and there is another comment I want to talk about. This is by MWY Melody with UV. He says that he's on 9.0.11 and he would like to know if the battery life of the OnePlus 6T with Oxygen 9.0.12, if it's good. Around the time I updated my OnePlus 6T to that update, I believe it was Google Play Services, it was consuming the most battery, so I decided to restart my device, charge it up to 100%, and see if that battery drainage would be persistent. So right now the Google Play Services has consumed about 5%. This phone has been on for about 4 days. The battery life, it's awesome, no complaints whatsoever. If you do get the update, try restarting your device. I would definitely do that. So for 4 hours and 11 minutes I've been using this device for the past 4 days. Yeah, I mean, and I probably have like an extra day left over. The battery life is phenomenal. I don't think there's another phone I own at the moment that could actually get this amount of standby time and this amount of screen on time. Now I do have the Moto Supra, which has like a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, but there's something special about the OnePlus 6T when it comes to battery management. It's simply amazing. The battery life is working pretty damn good. No issues whatsoever. Now, let's go ahead and talk about that tempered glass screen protector. It has a coating, shatterproof screen, transparency, perfect adhesion, delicate touch. Okay. I got my fingers crossed that this is not going to affect the fingerprint reader. Okay, now I'm gonna need some nails. So I'm gonna have to take off the gloves. So let me see. Let me just wipe the edges a little bit. So let's take this out. Okay, actually I'll just use the stickers. Actually, let me see. So this comes with, it just comes with one screen protector? Really? Wow. So I'm gonna have to be perfect on this. I'm gonna have to get this in one shot. Okay, overall looks pretty good, nice and smooth. So I'm going to have to do the fingerprint sensor again, set that up. Okay, so there are some micro dots on this display. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how that affects the fingerprint reader. Okay, so I believe I do have the fingerprint set up. I'm probably just gonna do this again with my other hand, and maybe I'll try and get my thumb in twice. So, alright, so let's go ahead and check it out real quick. Oh no. Oh man. Don't tell me there's some lag on it. No. Damn, this is definitely... Oh man, this is definitely slower. Shit. So let me just go ahead and try and see if I could add this thumb in again. Okay, so for good measure, I added my thumb on this device for the second time. So let's see if there's any improvements. Oh man. There's definitely a slowdown. What are we gonna do? Okay. Okay, it's not horrible. Oh, it is pretty slow. Wow, this really... Okay, this really isn't working out, man. Okay, so I think it's gonna take some time for it to actually learn my fingerprints, and I have no problem with that. Okay, so now it's working a bit faster. Okay, so I'll give you guys maybe an update later on. So here you have it, the MYBAT tempered glass screen protector. I think this was like about what, $5-7 or something like that. I would have liked it if they actually included 2 of these screen protectors in it. Usually they do that. I think this is actually a bit overpriced. This does go over the screen a little bit, but I do like that has a nice, you know, the border around it, kind of like that. So this is AlteredTech with the MYBAT screen protector and that OnePlus Oxygen OS 9.0.12 battery update. Let me know what you guys and girls think. This is AlteredTech signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.